Hello friend, today I got another 9 free live subscriptions on TikTok and I just used 2 and there are still 7. If you want to get this invitation code, the condition are to follow me and you must have at least 100,000 followers. This is the host I have invited and you can see this automatically chosen by TikTok, and these are the rules of TikTok. First, I got 5 invitation links and today I got 9 invite links, so I invite hosts who haven't received an invitation to use my invitation. Please comment on this video if you are a host who needs an invitation link and has met the requirement of TikTok. Thank you very much.